Yeah, all this time I thought I was recording, and I'm putting in the Hardy waterproof backer board. So sorry about that, but just finished screwing one side in. I got the floor in, and of course it couldn't go as smooth as I wanted to, but it's in. So now, doing the first back wall, which was the easiest one because it didn't require me to do nothing. Of course, it didn't require me to do any cutting. So it's just simply me screwing it in. But the rest of them ain't gonna be that nice. Like a glove. What's going on, y'all? Today's the day. The Marine and a schoolie. Here's the Marine. There's the schoolie. About to start this journey.
Hello everyone, I'm Reginald Wallace. After 24 years of service in the United States Marine Corps, I decided to convert a school bus into a tiny home to explore the country that I served. Join me on this journey, the build and the road trip of a Marine and a schoolie.
Alright, well, welcome back to part 2 of the plumbing. But like I said, it had to take a little minute to start putting together my shower walls while I try to let the sun come out because it's raining, or it's been raining. So I was kind of trying to wait until the sun got out today. So now we're gonna go back into the power closet and continue working on connecting the accumulator and the check valve. So let's get it. It's pretty tight quarters, so bear with me, y'all. All right, now when I got the right part, which was this other female end to go into the accumulator, and then we're gonna do an elbow, and then we're gonna do the check valve. And like I said, this check valve is to ensure that water does not come back into the water pump. And as you see right here, let's see if we can get that to do it. Yep, that arrow has to be pointing in the direction that we want water to keep flowing, so it'll be put in this way. So what we got here is that elbow, that check valve. There we go. And then now, just to, all that has to be done now is to connect it to the main line. Brought one of them old church songs in my mind when I said that main line. Jesus on the main line, tell him what you want. Y'all know about that. All right, as y'all can see, the connections are done. We got our check valve going in the right direction. Little extra piece of pipe there. We've got our accumulator, water pump in place, and now I just got to wire it. So that'll be my next step. See you in a minute. So the black wire connects into the fuse. The gold wire is the ground, which I have. Mine does not have a ground bar, so I've got to connect one. I actually went out and bought a grounding bar, and then this white wire, which is the negative, it's going to go in the screws up top. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these wires snipped up a bit, and then I'm going to get them connected to the fuses. Fuses up. Well, I thought it was an actual hole inside these in the screws, but it's not. So I'm gonna hold off on this because I want the connectors. I don't like that wire doesn't go inside there. The sheeting don't go inside there. Yeah, I don't like that, but it's a nice tight connection. Take that heat down. Alright, take on it all. There we go with one. Well, one half. All right, people. So I got a few lines done because my clips weren't supposed to be here until 10 p.m. and because this end of my inverter piece was not large enough, I had to go and change it to the copper pieces. But I thought I had enough. I only had 20, so I won't be able to wire my fuse box or my fuse block today, which is fine. But so I went ahead and got some new ones ordered. Hopefully they're here tomorrow. If not, no biggie. But I wanted to get something done, so I'm continuing to push on. So what I'm going to do first is connect my inverter, and I do need my drill. selection. I'll go ahead and make more than hand tug today. There we go. Hopefully Amazon don't take more than a day. Get some here early like they did today. It'd be great. They wasn't supposed to actually come in until like 10 or something at night. Hopefully they get them in. Alright, folks. Like I say, this is today. So, just so you can see, it is coming together. The power closet. So, yeah, it's pretty much all I can do today. I'm going to snap these fuses back in place. But, so pretty much got done today what I could do based on the materials I have. So, I gotta go tomorrow, pick up the wire rings. What's going on, Bo? Huh? Oh, okay, no problem. Yeah, so gotta go and get the connectors so I can connect my black wires to the fuse, and then I've got to wait for Amazon to get me my copper ring connectors so I can keep moving on that. And then I've got to go back and get the piece to go into my drill, my hole driller. And I don't know why I screwed that up last time I did. And but either way, I'm pretty satisfied with today's work. But this is gonna be it for today. So again, thank you all for continuing to watch. Thank you all for continuing to support. I will clean this mess up tomorrow. But as I always say, like, subscribe. Randall Schoolie, Semper Fi.